Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your TCL NxtPaper 10S. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Like this, hit the search button. Install this app. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open it. Click on Get Started. Here, select the account you want to use for the app, and then OK. Select this pause button, then go for Join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.